Hello, welcome to our channel Learn to Score. In this video, we are going to discuss exercise 2.3 of sets chapter. I hope you will like the video. Please subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you. Question number 1 of exercise 2.3 is which of the following sets are equal? A is a set of elements X such that X is a letter in the word follow. B is a set of elements X such that X is a letter in the word flow. C is a set of elements X such that X is a letter in the word wolf. We are given three sets, set A, set B and set C. We have to say which of the sets of the given ABC are equal. To see whether given sets are equal or not, first what we do is we write them in roster form. Roster form for set A is the set containing elements F, O, L and W. If you observe here, O appeared in the word follow twice and L appeared twice, right? But when you are writing the roster form, we write only once. That's why we have F, O, L and W, right? Now let's write roster form for set B. That is going to contain the elements F, L, O and W, right? Now let's write the roster form for set C, that is the set containing elements W, O, L and F. Now since we have roster form, we have to see whether the sets are equal or not. Please note this, for two sets to be equal, they should contain same elements. When two sets contain the same element, then we say that those two sets are equal, right? Now let's observe set A. Set A contains elements F, O, L and W, right? Set B also contains letters F, O, L and W. Set C is also containing elements F, O, L and W, right? As you have seen here, though the order is different, all three roster forms are same, right? Set A contains elements FO, LW. Set B is also containing the same elements and set C also contains the same elements. It means, as per the definition, since all these sets are containing the same elements, they are all equal. It means I can write it as A equal to B equal to C equal to the set containing elements F, L, O, W, right? Question 2 is consider the following sets and fill up the blank in the statement given below with equal to or not equal to so as to make the statement true. Here if you observe, we are given 6 sets and 7 sub questions are given. We have to find the answers for all those questions. So to begin with, set A is containing elements 1, 2 and 3, right? Set B is the set of first 3 natural numbers. That can be written as B containing elements, set B containing elements 1, 2 and 3, right? These are the first 3 natural numbers. Set C is the set containing elements A, B, C, D. And set D is the set containing elements D, C, A, B. Set E is the set containing elements A, E, I, O, U. Set F is the set of vowels in English alphabet. We know that set of vowels in English alphabet are A, E, I, O, U, right? That's why I'm writing set F as set containing elements A, E, I, O, U. Now let's go to the question and see. The first question is A dash B. We have to say whether A equal to B or A not equal to B, right? As you see here, A contains elements 1, 2, 3 and B is also containing elements 1, 2, 3, right? And we just said that if the elements are same in both the sets, then the sets are going to be equal, right? It means we should write A equal to B. Now the second question is A equal to E or A not equal to E. We have to find that, right? We know, we have seen just now, A is the set containing elements 1 to 3. When it comes to E, E contains elements A, E, I, O, U, right? As you have seen, both the sets are not containing the same elements. It means A is not equal to E. Now let's see the third question, that is C and D, the relation between them. C is the set containing elements A, B, C, D, and D is containing D, C, A, B. I can rewrite it such that A, B, C, D in the order, right? When I do that, C and D are exactly the same, right? The elements of C and elements of D are same. It means C is equal to D. Now let's see the next question, that is D and F, the relation between them. D, we have seen it contains elements D, C, A, B, and F is containing elements A, E, I, O, U. When you compare these two, you say that these two sets are not having the same elements, right? That's why we can say that D is not equal to F. Now the relation between F and A. F is the set containing elements A, E, I, O, U, whereas A contains elements 1 to 3, right? It means F is not equal to A. Now the relation between D and E. D we have seen that contains elements D, C, A, B, and E is containing elements A, E, I, O, U, right? It means D is not equal to E because the elements are not same. Now the relation between F and B. What is F? F contains elements A, E, I, O, U, and B contains elements 1, 2, 3, right? It means F is not equal to B. Question 3 is, in each of the following state whether A equal to B or not. The questions given are, A is the set containing elements A, B, C, D, and B is the set containing elements D, C, A, B. Question 2 is, A is the set containing elements 4, 8, 12, and 16. B contains the elements 8, 4, 16, and 18. Question 3 is, A is the set containing elements 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. B is a set of elements x such that x is a positive integer and x less than 10. The fourth question is, A is a set of elements x such that x is a multiple of 10, and B is the set containing elements 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and so on. To answer these questions, we know that for two sets to be equal, they should contain the same elements, right? Now let's go to the first question. Set A contains elements A, that is there here, B is there, C is there, and D is there. If you observe, both the sets contain the same elements, right? That's why we can say that A is equal to B, right? Now when it comes to the second question, set A contains elements 4 present, 8 is present in both, 12 is present here but it is not there on this side, whereas 16 is present on both the sides and 18 is here but that is not there. It means set A and set B contain different elements, right? That's why we say that A is not equal to B for the question 2. Now when it comes to question 3, A is given as a set containing elements 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Definition of B is given in set builder form, right? Let's write that in roster form. B is a set of elements x such that x is a positive integer and x less than 10. Sorry, x is a positive even integer, right? What are the even numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on, right? But Here there is another condition saying that x has to be less than 10. That's why we have written only 2, 4, 6 and 8. Right? 10 cannot be included. 10, 12, 14, 16, those numbers cannot be included because of this reason. 10, x has to be less than 10. That's why. So now if you observe, all 2, 4, 6, 8 are there in both the sets, but 10 is present only in set A, right? It means set A is not equal to set B. In the fourth question, definition of A is given in set builder form. Let's write that in roster form now. A is a set of elements x such that x is a multiple of 10. It means A is going to be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and so on, right? Every number you write as part of set A will be a multiple of 10. You see 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and so on, right? Now let's compare set A and set B. Set A, set B both have 10. Set B has 15, whereas set A doesn't have 15, right? Based on this, we can now say that A is not equal to B, right? I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, Learn to Score. Thank you.